Hey there traders, just a quick update on this EA and the actual settings, how you can, I didn't emphasize enough on the settings, and I just want to show you, just by tinkering with the settings a little bit, you can be a lot more profitable, but you can also be a lot less profitable if you have the wrong settings. So I showed you yesterday on GBP USD with these settings over here, exactly the way it is with the parabolic SAR. What I'm talking about, what I mean by the settings is the indicator settings and the take profit and stop loss setting. Okay, those are the two most important settings, and the first most important should actually be your lot size, but the other two biggest settings are the take profit and the actual indicator setting itself. Now you can see, if we got yesterday we tested GBP USD at a 0.01 and a 0.1 on the parabolic SAR. So that's just the dots, how the dots are actually forming and how quickly they form, or how slowly they form. So you can see with this setting here, we do a back test quickly. Okay, you'll see that the profit now, the profit's $90, right? The same way that I showed you yesterday. Now just by us tweaking the setting slightly on the indicator, I just want to show you the difference now in the profits. Now you can see now it's $349. From $90 it's bumped it up to $349, and you can see it's taken about 25 more trades. So the parabolic SAR over here, I've also changed it to 0.02. Okay, for the actual strategy itself. You'll see if you change it to a 0.01, it'll actually give you way less trades or less signals. Another thing is, if we just tweak the take profit, if we just change that just by 1 pip. Okay, so now we've got a stop loss at 25 and a stop loss at 20. Now you'll see that it made 349 with a stop loss of 21. So now we've changed it. The take profit now is at 20 instead of 21, so a pip less. You can see all of a sudden now it bumps it up like $100 more. Okay, so the settings are very important, that you tinker around and get a nice like happy medium or nice average setting, that because not every month the EA is going to perform the same on each pair. It's going to be different each month, so it's important to have a nice average setting. You can also see USD JPY if we run it on with this adjusted settings. In the last video it made 268. Now you can see just with that adjusted settings it's made $100 more. So it also might be a good option to diversify, meaning run the EA on multiple pairs, like have it on USD JPY, NZD USD, GBP USD, USD JPY, maybe like 4 or 5 pairs, and just spread out your risk. And obviously then you're going to have to chop your risk in four ways. For example, if you're trading a 0.04, normally you'll have to trade a 0.01 for each trade. Well, on each pair, just to spread out the risk. So playing around with the risk setting and all of that is vital. And the main settings on the indicator and the profit levels, stop loss and take profit. I hope that cleared up some questions if you're a bit confused about that or needed more information on that. And all the best, guys. This is not a holy grail system, it's just food for thought and something you can play around with, and perhaps implement these systems into your trading, or at least start your journey as trying to automate your trading. So it's just a stepping stone, and hopefully in the right direction. I'll catch you in the next one, guys. Peace out.